Hello parents, I just wanted to show you really quick what is expected of your students and you on our asynchronous day for Monday. So let me show you. Okay, so on each one of your students there is the Canvas button right here on the top on each of your students' computers. So you're just going to click on that and then you'll see something like this and you'll find My Classroom right here. And then let me show you the student view so you know what the students are looking at. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like on your student's computer. You're going to click on Quarantine Friends and it's going to be on Monday, so you can click on Monday. And here it is. So there's two assignments. I know that's changed a little bit, especially if you started with me. It used to be just one assignment a day, but now it's two. So for reading, you're going to click on here and you're going to go through the lesson. There are 8 slides in this one. So just going through every one with your student and making sure that they're doing the activities, that kind of stuff. And then all the way through lesson 8, and then I'll tell you with the purple notebook, that's how you know you're done, that there's a quiz. So you can go back here for homework and you're gonna touch take quiz. Okay, and then for math, you're gonna click on here. Again, same thing, going through each slide all the way to 9, doing the activities in between. And then this time it says you have a assignment to submit. So for this assignment, you can tell this is the one, so you can look in the black binder that was given to each of your students. And if not, you can always print it over here. But you're looking for lesson 5.07. So, and this is the exact paper that you're comparing it to. And then you're going to go to homework. And it has it on there too, just in case. That's the paper again. This is the paper that you're looking for. And then you're going to click Submit Assignment. And you're going to go to the search and you can type in camera. And you're going to take a picture of the assignment. And then you're going to choose File. And I opened it to my pictures, camera roll, and all the way down. And then I'm just going to click Submit. And that's how I will get it. So that's pretty much it for Monday's asynchronous day. You can do it anytime on Monday, but please make sure that you're having the students log in. They will be counted absent if they do not log into Canvas. If you have any questions, please just let me know, and I will see your students bright and early Tuesday morning. Thank you so much.